So now I'm ready here to ganache the house. So it's been firming up. Okay, so I have the ganache. I'm just softening it up. I'm just going to use the silicone spatula to just go over it. First I'm just going to cover the surface of the Rice Krispy Treats fully, and then I'm just going to focus on giving the shape that I want. So now I'm just going to switch over to spatula. I'm going to still need to pick up ganache to just have a leveled side. So I've just made the sides kind of straight. I still need to work on. Here I'm just going to now fill the top, have a tapered but pointy side on the top. So I have straightened the sides, added wherever ganache is needed to give the shape, removing off excess where it's not needed, because we just need the right shape. On top of this we are going to have fondant coming in, so this needs to be smoothed out. So at this stage I'm just going to allow the ganache to set properly, and then I'm just going to get back to make the finish smooth, because now that the ganache is quite soft, continuing to work on a soft ganache, we're not going to have like the crisp edges. So I'm just going to set this, put it in the freezer for 15 minutes and then get back with a scraper and then hot water, and then I'm going to have a smooth finish on this Rice Krispy Treats house that's covered with ganache. So the ganache is quite set now, it's firm. I'm just going to start adding another thin layer to just smooth out. I also have a bowl of hot water. I'm just going to get the scraper and then just drop it into the bowl. Okay, so I'm just going to allow the scraper to take the heat. Then I'm just going to take the scraper and just scrape the sides. The excess I'm just going to put it back into the bowl of the ganache. I'm going to dip it into hot water again. There, close. Now I'm just going to use my fingers, dip it into hot water and just go smooth out the sides. We have the house now ganached. Now I've used water and my fingers to go on and smooth it out. Now I'm just going to panel this. When I'm going to panel this, I'm going to have a thicker sheet of fondant to go around and cover all four sides, and then on the top for the roof also. And I'm going to keep the fondant a little thicker. So I'm not going to drape it. So a bit of imperfection on this ganache, especially that there is Rice Krispy Treats inside. Now I'm just going to allow this to set in the room temperature, which is right under AC, for about 3 to 4 hours, and then I'm just going to get back when I'm ready to cover this with fondant and finish the hut.